Hi, gorgeous people of the Lord God. It's October 31, 2023. And I'm saying happy birthday to my best friend back in elementary, I think from grade 5 to grade 6. And up until high school, suwayan lang kami ni Pearly Monson, now Mrs. Magtibay, who used to work with Metro Bank. As of now, I do not know any longer where she is working at. Perhaps she is abroad. But I'm saying happy, happy, happy birthday, Pearly, all the way from my heart to yours. Ayan. Sana you're doing okay, Pearly. This has been your best friend back in elementary and early high school from what I have recalled. So, right now guys, tapos na yung election. I don't have updates, but what I've heard is only in one barangay there in Concepcion Pequeña, near to our heart, because we have property also covered by that barangay, no, and my grandfather, Lolo Glicerio, also served there as a kagawad. And then after that, my lola, Asuncion Viuda de Martires, served also, I think, early 80s. I could remember. So, pinangalan nga yung pinangalan yung railways from the crossing of Concepcion and Diversion Road to all the way down to Tutuban. Yun ang extent, no? A. Martires, A. Point Martires, during the interment, burial, the barangay captain back then, I don't know his name, um, declared in front of my kins and family that there was a past ordinance na ipapangalan nga in lieu of good works ng aking lola Sean early in the 80s. I could remember lang na sa balkonahe ng kanyang bahay by the home along the Riles, we bought rights there. And I could remember that she would facilitate settling and reconciling people who are having nagkakaroon ng away-away, no? My lola is not the kapitan barangay, but she is merely a kagawad. But we may see how she settles and solve things. Hindi kailangang aabot sa korte, nagkakabatian po. Just like how she does with us noon, no? Yung mga kakapatid kami, ang bili niya noon ni ex-kagawad, the late Asuncion, Lola Sean, is kahit konti paghati-hatiin doon sa mga legit na shareholders. I mean, kung sino yung member ng isang group, for example, for us, magkakapatid, yung isang candy, guys, pinuputol yan if there are no other candies available. Pinuputol niya po yan sa anim, kasi anim kami magkakapatid. But if there is available, lalo kung may pera yun si Lola, pipilhan talaga kami tag-isa-isa, like Chippy and Coke. I could remember after praying the rosary, talagang si Lola Sean yung nag-help din sa amin. Although initially, my parents helped us out to pray. But the very big impact that was given to us by our Lola is a legacy of prayer. No, we really have a schedule of rosary back then. And then, Mayflower activities. We pick flowers from her garden. And then we would go to Immaculate Conception Parish to shower the image of the Blessed Mother with the flowers that we have. And in turn, after that, kids gets to have goodies, no? Yun yung mga memories ko sa Concepcion Pequeñang house niya. We were filled with activities. Marami yung even in Bagong Bayan with my parents, talagang malaki yung naging assistance ng lola ko sa spiritual life namin as a family, no? Talagang we have a rosary time at hindi ko yan pinagsisisihan. Nag-iba man ang relihiyon ng ibang kapatid ko, but I know that they are being sustained na sana. I'm always also praying na at the end of our lives, we will all go to heaven. Alam ko, yung kapatid ko, yung kakambal ko, kahit po naging Muslim siya, may mga ginawa din siya, no, to obey. And especially may counsel through text, through the Facebook, may mga inobey po siya. And pinapakita po sa akin ni Lord that he has suffered enough. So yung sufferings niya, naging yun purification. Just as an example, no, including my father, I know, and our shoti, Don, as well as yung ibang namatay sa amin na pinopurify po kasi talaga yung soul sa mga sufferings na binibigay ni Lord. Although in our part, if we see people suffering, what could we do out of love? Hindi naman sinabi, guys, na may nakikita tayo nagsasuffer, may sakit, lalo pa nating pasasakitan. No. We should just allow God so naturally kung ano yung mga inaalaw ni Lord na mga sufferings. No? Na sana hindi natin ini-inflict if we are not being tasked by the Lord God